thickness of slab T, refractive index mu, this is S1. I'll illuminate this with a monochromatic source of light. Monochromatic light. The distance between slits is D. Distance between slit and the screen, let it be capital D. So this is ray 1. Path difference delta x. Again the same writing equation. The net path difference is equal to, so what is like S2P minus T. Therefore the path covered by the ray 2 in A, then it will cover some path in slab, it will cover a distance T in slab, then optical path length equivalent, that optical path length of that is mu T minus S1P. This is the optical path length. So this should be equal to S2P minus S1P plus mu minus 1 T. So S2P minus S1. This is from geometry. This is what delta x. This is due to slab, this path, this is due to geometry. This is a net path difference. Is it okay? I'm mentioning it things very clearly for you. Already we know delta x. Directly shall I write this is equal to dy by capital D. And we are searching for maximas n lambda mu minus 1 T. So the expression for y max will be n lambda capital D by D. Okay, no, and I'll adjust this one. So this will be, what is this? This particular thing will be a shift, no? Look at the pattern, it will shift downward. So what shall I do now? The pattern as it shifts downward. So where the central maxima will be below here, so somewhere. So it's a rough indication. This will be central maxima. This will call order of interference at the axis. The green colors are maximas. In between the gap is called as minima. There's a condition. Okay, this the green colors will be the maximas, in between gaps will be the minimas here. So we got this one. Now again the same thing. What is the location of central maxima? I want at what distance the central maxima will be from axis. What shall I do for this? Put n equal to 0, because what is the order of interference at central maxima? It will be 0. Put n equal 0, you get ycm is equal to 0 minus. What do you mean by negative here? Central maxima will be located below the axis. Similarly, I want order of interference exactly opposite to this one, NS2. So I should what in place of y max, what I should write? Minus d by 2. I'll get ns2. Or the order of interference exactly opposite to slit s1. So write ns1. Or the order of interference at the axis. Put y equal to 0. So n axis will be equal to mu minus 1 t by lambda. I got positive value, you can see that one. Similarly, I want ns2, order of interference at that one. So for that, I'll put minus d by 2 here, then you'll get this one. So minus d by 2. I'll write next line, huh? You'll get confused with this. Minus d by 2 equal to ns2 lambda capital D. Solve for ns2, you'll get the required answer. The order of interference exactly opposite to slit s2. At a point on a screen opposite to slit s2. So what is the general conclusion? If you put slab at lower slit, pattern will shift downward. If you put slab at upper slit, the pattern will shift upward. Then how much of shift? The shift value is given by mu minus 1 t capital D by J, where t is the thickness of slab. You can see the diagram. So just do make observation. What happened to number of maximas? Again, they mean same. So nearby diagram, you better write it. It will be much useful for you. Total number of maximas on screen, d by lambda. This equation is very important. This is called like a path difference equation. All your entire numericals just depends on writing this. Once you know this, you know geometry, what to do, how to bring all that, you can manage everything. So this is, please think on it. In every problem, you should try for generating this equation. Okay, fine. This one.
Sir, is the slab placed perpendicular to the light ray?
Yes, it will be. Thickness is so small, no? Like, fine. I'll go for the next condition.